So welcome to Electronics 6 Lab, and you are watching Signal System lecture series. And today the topic of discussion is the plotting of continuous and discrete time signal. So in this lecture we will see how to plot continuous and discrete time some elementary signals. And we have seen also the time shifting property, the time reversal property that we will going to apply in this case. Okay, so we'll see how to plot this elementary signal. That is mainly we plot the unit step signals based on the continuous time and discrete time signals. So let us begin our discussion. So we have to plot this type of signals. Okay, so we have to plot these signals. Uh, u of that is the u of uh, t plus 4. Okay, so u of t plus 4, u of t minus 4. Okay, that will be we are plotting in this case u of t plus 4, u of t minus 4, then minus t plus 4, u of minus t minus minus t, that is a uh, this then u of t minus of t minus 5. Okay, this will see one by one. So how to plot these signals. Okay, so let's see our first case, that is the u of t plus 4. Okay. So u of t plus 4, how to plot the signal u of t plus 4. So we know what is u of t. Okay. So first we will see what is u of t, then we will see what will be u of t plus 1, then it will be 3 into u of t plus 4. Okay. So this is our u of t. We know that this is our u of t. So u of t equal to 1 for n is greater than equal to 0. Okay. So what is u of t? So u of t, we know that u of t equal to 0. Okay. Uh, for t is less than 0. Okay. Similarly, u of t equal to 1 for t is greater than equal to 0. So in this case, you can see in this case u is greater than equal to 0. So this case equal to 1. So this is the 1. Similarly, for t is less than 0, the values are 0. Okay. So this is our u of t. Okay. This is our u of t. Okay. Then we will see what is u of t plus 4. Okay. So t plus 4 is the, you can use the time shifting property. So u of t plus 4 is obtained by advancing x of n by 4 units from time. Okay. So by advancing uh, x of n by 4 units of time, that can be our u of t plus 4. Okay. So let us see. So this is the u of t plus 4. So what we are doing is that, so we are advancing means this signal will be shifted towards the left. Okay. The whole signal will be shifted towards the left. Okay. That will be by 4 units in time. Okay. So this is the called the advancing of x of n. So you can see if this signal is shifted towards the left by 4 units of time, that will be only shifted. Okay, just shifted 4 units of time towards the left. Okay, so it will be minus 4. Okay, that it will be minus 4. So minus 4, then this will be 0. Minus 5, that would be 0. Minus 6, that would be 0. Okay, 0, 0. So we have shifted the this u of t towards the left side by 4 units in time. Okay, so this is our u of t plus 1. So then this is the amplitude is 1 here. Okay. Similarly, we will plot 3 of u t plus 4. So how to plot? So 3 of u t means this is the amplitude actually. So it will be multiplied by into 1. Okay. So that will be 3. Okay. So let us see that. So this is our u of t plus 4. Okay. So this is our u of t plus 4. You can see this is multiplied by 3. Okay. So this actually the amplitude is over here is a 3. Okay. The amplitude is 3. Okay. So this is how you plot the u of the 3 into u of t plus 4. Okay. So this is our first case. Okay. Let us see our second case, the second question. So second question is your 3u t minus 4. Okay, t minus 4. So let us see 3u t minus 4. So first we will plot out is u of t. This is u of t. Okay, then we will see, then we plot u of t minus 4. So how to plot u of t minus 4? By delaying u of t by 4 units in time. Okay, so you have to delay means shifting towards the right side. Okay, so this side you have to shift by 4 units in time. So that will be right shift. Only you have to right shift by 4 units in time. Okay, so you can see this is the u of t minus 4. Okay, these values are 0 actually. These all the 0 values. Okay, these are all zeros. Okay, so because we are shifting the signal towards the right only. Okay, so towards the right by 4 units in time. So this signal will be shifted towards the right about the time axis. Okay, towards the time axis. So towards the right for 4 units in time. Okay, so this is our u of t minus 4. Okay, the amplitude is 1. Okay, similarly this 3 of u t minus 4, it will be multiplied by 3. Okay, this amplitude will be 3. Okay, so let us see that. Okay, so this is your 3 of u t minus 4. So it will be multiplied by 3. Okay, so this amplitude is your now 3. Okay, this is your 3. So this is our u of t minus 4. Okay, so this is a second case. So let us see our third case. Third case is your 3 of minus u plus 2. Okay, plus 4. Okay, minus u plus 4. So let us plot first u of minus t, then you will plotting u of minus t plus 4, that would be 3 into u of minus t plus 4. Okay, so this is our u of minus t. So this is the reflection of the signal about u of about the time origin. So u of t, so we know u of t, then it will be time reversal. Time reversal means it will be means negative side. Okay, that will be 1. So what is the actually what is u of t? So u of t now is this is our u of t. Okay, so this is our u of t. Okay, this is our u of t. So this will be shifted means towards the means if not shifted, this is the time reversal property. Okay, time reversal or reflection of about the time axis. So t equal to 0. So that will be this side and this side equal to 0. Okay, it will be 0. So this is our u of minus t. Then how to plot u of minus t plus 4? So minus t plus 4 is obtained by delaying u of minus t by 4 units in time. Okay, delaying minus t by 4 units of time. Okay, so let us see that. So this is the delaying of u of minus t by 4 units of time. So what we have done is that we have shifted the signal towards this right side by 4 units in time. So this is our u of minus t plus 4. Okay. Similarly, it will be this will be 0. Okay. We have shifted the signal towards the right. Okay. Then it will be multiplied by 3. Okay. So that will be multiplied by 3. Uh, so that will be multiplied by 3 now. Okay. The signal will be multiplied by 3. So this is our 3u minus t plus 4. Okay. So this is our second case. Third case. Sorry. So let us see our means fourth case. Okay, that is u of minus t minus 4. Okay, so minus t minus 4. Let us see. So first we will plot u of minus 2 minus t. So this is our u of minus t. Okay, then we plot u of minus t minus 4. So this is by done by advancing u of minus t by 4 units in time. Okay, so u of this is the advancing u of minus t by 4 units in time. Okay, so you have to means this side. Okay, push the signal this side. Okay, according to time axis. So this is all 0 actually. So push the signal towards this side, left side. So that will be u of minus t minus 4. This amplitude is 1. Now it is 3. So it will be multiplied by 3. Okay. So this is our 3u minus t minus 4. Okay. So this is our fourth case. Okay. So let us see our fifth case, that is u of t minus u of t minus 5. Okay. So let us see that. So u of t, we know that this is u of t. Okay. Then you have to plot u of t minus 5. So this is the done by delaying u of t by 5 minutes of time. So this is the shifted towards the right. Okay. So this is actually 0. So shifted towards the right by 5 units in time. Okay. So now we have to we will do u of t minus of u of t minus 5. Okay. So let us how to see that means this case. So what will we do? So u of t minus 5. Okay. So by this is done by the shifted towards the right by 5 minutes of time. Next we will see u of t minus of u of t minus 5. So you can see over here, if you compare these two graphs, so you can see here at minus 5 it is 0. Okay, so minus 5 0. Similarly at minus 4 it is 0. So 0 minus 0, so all be 0. So minus 2, here the minus 2 value u of t value is 0. Here the minus 2 value is 0. So it will be 0. Minus 1 value also 0. Okay. Similarly 0 it is 1. Okay. This is 0 it is 1. Sorry 0 it is 0. 0 value is 0. here also 1 value 0, 2, 3, all the values are 0. So in this case, up to -5 to 0, -5 to 0, there is no signal because it is, means subtracted from this ut minus of ut minus 1. So up to this it will be 0. Then at 1, 0, the value u of t equal to 1. So 1 minus this value is 0. So 1 minus 0, it will be 1. So when this value is 1, so it will be 1. So 3, it will be 1, then 1 minus 0, it will be 1. Similarly, 4, it will be 1. Ut value is 1. Ut minus 5 equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 minus 0, it will be 0. So up to 5, actually, you can see this graph at 5, you can see at 5, the value is 1. Okay, at 5, the value is 1. Okay, similarly, this value is also 1. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0. This is only 6, the value is 1, that will be 1. So you can see up to 0 to 4, 0 to, sorry, 0 to up to 5. Okay, 0 to 5, the value is there. Okay, so after that means in 5, that will be 0. Okay, so we will get this graph like this. Okay, so let us see that. So this is the graph. Okay, so at 0 to 5, we are getting this graph. Okay, because at you can see after 5, you can see ut value is 1, ut minus 5 value is also 1. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Okay, that is why we will get this graph from 0 to 5. The value is 1. Here you can see that at 0, the value is 1. Here 0, here 0, there is no value. Okay, that will be 0. Okay, so 1 minus 0 till 0. So 1, this one is 1 and ut value is 1, ut minus value equal to 0. So u 1 minus 0, it will be 1. So up to which we can get this value up to 5. Okay, after that it will be 0. Okay, so this is your ut minus of u of t minus 5. Okay, let us see our means sixth case. Okay, so u of n minus n. So now it is n. Okay, so we plot first u of n. So this is our u of n. So u of n. Okay, so u of n equal to 1 for n is greater than equal to 0. So let us see what is u of n plus 5. So n plus 5 is obtained by advancing x of n by 5 units of time. So advancing x of n by 5 units of time. So it will be shifted towards the left side. Okay, so it will be shifted towards the left. This signal will be shifted towards the left by 5 units of time. So the value is now this one, minus 5, minus 4, we get this value. Okay, so that will be, this is also minus, I mean 6, 7, that is the, all the value is 1. Okay, so this signal will be shifted towards the means left side. Okay, by 5 units in time. So we will get this u of n plus 5. Then you have to subtract u of n from u of n plus 5. Okay, so u of n u of n plus 5 will be subtracted from u of n. Okay, so this will be subtracted. Okay, so you can see sample by sample basis. So you can see at minus 4, this value is 0. So at minus 4, this value is 1. So that is the 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1. Similarly, minus 3, the value is 0. Here the minus 3 value is 1. So that will be minus 1. So up to this minus 1, the value is n value is minus 1, the value is amplitude is minus 1. Similarly, at 0, you can see this value is 1, this value also 1. So that will be 0. So you can get this graph means from this left hand side, we can see negative values. Okay, so you can see this negative value, we can get minus 1. We can get value means this is also minus 6 also we can get. So up to this. So but in this case 0 we can get 0. 1 we can get 0 because in this case the one value is 1, u of n value is 1, u of n plus 1 value is also 1. So 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So on and so forth. So this is our u of n minus u of n plus 5. Okay, let us see our last case, that is u of n minus of u of n minus 5. So this is our u of n, this is our u of n. So u of n minus 5 will be obtained by delaying x of n by 5 units some time. Delaying means shifted towards the right. So this graph will be shifted towards the right by 5 units of time. So if to shift this graph will be shifted towards the right. So if we don't get any value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we don't get any value because this will be shifted towards the right. Okay, so 6, 7 we can get this value. So then it will be means subtracted. So u of n minus of u of n minus 5. Okay. So let us see that. So that will be at 0 you can see the value is 1 u n value, but in this case the value is 0. So 1 minus 0. You can see this 0, the value is 1. Here the value is 0. So 1 we can get. Similarly, this is 1. The value is here 1. In this case, it is 0. So it will be 1. So up to 5 we can get 1. At 6 we can see. At 6 what will be the value? That will be 0. Okay. Because at 6 you can see this is a 6. 6, 7. Okay. 6, 7. These values are all 1. Okay. If you subtract this from this, okay, so u of minus u of n minus 5, the 6, what is the value? That is 1. Here 6 is 1. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So up to this value, you can get 1, then it will be 0. Okay, so let's see our graph. Okay, so this is actually u of n. Okay, so that will be minus 5 minus 4. Okay, minus 4, that will be minus 4, the value is here actually 0. Okay. Here the that minus 4, sorry. So minus 5, actually this minus 5, here the value minus 5, it will be 0. Okay. Minus 5, the value is 0. So we are subtracting, that is the 0. Okay. That will be 0, I think. Then minus 4, it will be 0. So we are subtracting 0. Okay. Similarly, minus 3, it will be 0. So actually the graph is like, that will be like this. Okay. Let us see this graph. Okay. So you can see at 0 the value is 1. Okay. So that value is at 0 this value is 1. Okay. Similarly at 1 the value is you can see 1 0, that will be 1. Okay. Similarly at 2 the value is 1. Okay. At 3 the value is 1. At 4 the value is 1. At 5 the value is 1. Okay. So and 5 the value is, at 6 7 the value is, that will be 0. Okay. Because this is 1. Okay. So 6 7, okay, that will be 8, that will be 0. So this is actually the graph of u of n minus of u of n minus 5. Okay. Previous graph is wrong. Okay. This is the correct graph of u of n minus of u of n minus 5. Okay. Because we are subtracting u of n minus 5 from u of n. So you can see the u of n value at 0 is 1. In this case, the 0 is, that value is 0. So 1 minus 0, the value is 1. Okay. So it can go up to 5. Okay. Then at 6, it is both values are 1 1. So that will be 0. Okay. So this is shifted towards the right. Okay. This u of n minus 5, it will be shifted towards the right. Okay. Okay. Shifted towards the right by 5 instead of 10. Okay. So this is all. Okay. You can correct this graph. Okay. You can correct this graph. Okay. So stay connected to this channel. Okay. So we have seen how to plot the u of n and u of t, or shifted version of u of t minus 5, or even something like shifted version of u of t and u of n also. Okay. Then we have seen the how to plot this u of n minus of some shifted version of u of n t. So similarly u of n, then minus of shifted version of u of n. Okay. So this is how to graph the u of n and u of t, okay, in the time domain. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can free to ask me in the comment section. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.